something new every day. Let's use our imagination. Let's create and have fun. Hello friends, we're on the subject of insects, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a caterpillar using an egg crate. Hopefully you guys have a cardboard one, but if you don't have cardboard, I guess you can also use plastic, or you can use cardboard today. Alright, let's get started. Hello friends, so to get started on our caterpillar, we're going to use an egg crate. You're going to need scissors, some paint, and some paint brushes. Let's get started on cutting my egg crate. I'm going to cut it in the center. Get a sharp scissor. Have mom and dad help you out, or an adult. Now I'm going to cut this side of the egg crate. Let's trim it over here a little bit. I'm going to cut these off first. I cut the tops off already. Now I'm going to turn it around. I find it easier just cutting right in the middle. But have mommy and daddy or an adult help you out, okay? I'm going to cut it in the middle. Go all the way down. So I have my egg crate cut in half. So I'm using half of the other egg crate for my paint. I'm going to paint my caterpillar all green. His head's going to be red, so just a little bit of red. And yellow for his eyes. Let's get started, my friends. Got my paintbrush, dipping it in. I'm coloring my caterpillar green because I'm going to make the very hungry caterpillar. Get all the little spots in. If you want to make a rainbow caterpillar, you can make a rainbow caterpillar. Now for my head, I'm going to paint it red. You can use the same brush if you don't have two different paint brushes, okay? You can use stickers if you want to use stickers on your caterpillar. Just have fun with it. And for the eyes, I'm using yellow paint right there. I'm dipping the end of my paintbrush to make its eyes. A little more yellow. I hope you guys had fun making a caterpillar using an egg crate. And this is my hungry caterpillar. Have fun, guys. And remember to always have fun.